This video will explain how you can add menu into your application. So here we go. On the menu, you can see we have like 4 menus in this place. So can you now add your own customized menu or customized page into your app menu here? So let's quickly go to our manager. So you can't do anything here. So check the bottom here. You can see go to app manager. So click on it. All right, so in this place we are going to do that here, and then from the bottom we have link account, we have add-ons, home, need help, CBT, pages, forms, and we have app content. So we go for app content. Now under this place you can see how it works. So click on pages or forms at the bottom here. That's the first step. Then click on plus to create a new page. Okay, so now what we are going to do now is this. So we may not even read the text we have here. Let me just click on plus sign. In the plus sign here, we have menu name, form ID, page ID, or link. So what it means is that, let us assume you want to include form into your app menu. So you are going to create form on this your manager, and if you want to let us assume it is page you want to link into your menu, you can actually create page in this place, in this your app manager. So, and if it is external link, I will explain everything. If it is external link, so you paste the link there. Okay, so let me use live chat with us. Then the link, let us assume this is the link. Let us assume it may be your WhatsApp link, it may be anything. So the link, in this page I put the link. We can put 3 things, either form ID, page ID, or link. So I will explain each one of them. Okay, so make it visible. Yes, visible. Now under this place, if you choose, since your platform has content, so if you choose add to app body, it will not work. So since your app has content, you can see, so we have contents in this place, so it will not work. So you need to choose sidebar, then click on save. Now after you've done this, go back and refresh. So let's check the menu. You can see that dark one. Now the reason why it is dark is because the word live chat with us. So if it is another word, it will not be black. How? It will not be bold like this. You can see it is bold and black. So it's because the word is live chat with us. So it needs to be emphasized. So let me assume it is another word. Another word like this. Oh, sorry, another word. Let me use another word. Check our portfolio. Let me just use something like that. Okay, so let's cross check from the menu. You can see, so this one has same color with the other menu. All right, now let us check if we can add multiple menus. So let me call this one menu 2, another link, add it to sidebar. So let's check it out how it will arrange itself. Okay, so click here. Now you can't see the menu we created again. We can't. Why? Because we have added multiple menus. So if we continue adding it, if it's continue adding into this place, let us assume we add like 10. What will happen to this place, it just look somehow. So that is why it has compressed it into one called check other menu. So click on it. So these are the menus. So check our portfolio, menu 2. So if we click on it, it will take you to the link you provided. Okay, now what if you are not creating something like that again? You just want to use page, or you just want to use form. So this is how you to do that. You come to this place. Let me delete. Okay, let's just leave this one alone and go to the bottom. We have pages, so click on pages. We want to add page into it, so click on pages, click on plus. Now what will be the name of the page? Let me say our course. Welcome to computer training course. Maybe that is the content. If you want to add picture to it, you choose picture image there. So let me click on save. I'm not adding picture, so it is optional. All right, now how will you now add this course? How will you now add this page into the menu? You see we have three icons. First one is to edit, second one is to copy. So click on that second one. This is the page ID, copy it. Go back to app content. App content. Click on plus. Now what is the menu? Course, anything like course, attend class, just anything. So you are going to put the page ID here. After that, you click on save. Let's check what we just did. Refresh. Other menu. Aha, so you can see our course. So this icon is different from the top one. So click here. You can see what I just created. So welcome to Computer Training School. You can share it on social media and any other place. Now this is the content of the page. And then this page, if you put image will also display. And on the, yes, image will also display. You already know how to do that. Okay, now let's go back to, let us add forms. So click on form from the bottom. Click on plus. So click on plus. And in this place, let me call this form registration form. Yeah, let's say to enroll you into our school. Save. All right, after you've done this, this is the form. There is no field, there is no record. What is meant by record is that if someone or if students, if people have been submitting from the form on the form, so their record will be appearing here. Let me click on that, zero record. So if you go to this link on your browser, you will be able to see their record. So that is so simple. Now, what is meant by field? Field is that, in the form, in any form, we have some fields to fill. Like for example, first name, last name, gender, those are fields. So if you click on these zero fields, let's check it out. Click on it, you don't have any field. So you click on plus. And let me call the first one first name. First name. And what will be the type? I think it's text. Okay, is it required? Is required. That means someone must fill that place before you can proceed to any place. Now after that, let me put on gender, or let's use email address. Field type, it is email, so you put email. Then required is required. Let me add last one to be your address. So that should be text area. Text area means big field, big box. Now we've done this. How will you now copy out your form ID? You click on forms again. Now you see we have four icons here. The first one is to add field, just like the way we click on that zero field last time. So in this one, you can click on that green icon to add more fields. Click on the second icon to copy the ID. third one to edit. So let me click on the second one to copy the ID. So after you've done this, you go straight to app content. Click on plus. Now I'll record this. Let me call this one registration. Then the form ID you copied. After that, you save it. So let's go back to this our app and refresh. Good. So you can see the last one, registration form. Let's check it out. Yes, this is the form. This is the form. So click this, you see. Okay, so you can see. Now required we put last time is because it is a must for you to fill it. So that's required. So address, you can see this text box is big. So email address, email address must be the same, must be correct. Submit it. Submitted. Restart. All right, so this is how this one works. Okay, so that is so simple. I have already submitted one record, so let's check it out by going to, yes, this place. Now let's click on form again. Click on one record. You can see it's one record we have. So this is it. You are going to take this to your browser. Yeah, this is the field. This is the person that registered. You know that the data is supplied last time, and they can actually download it. This is it. You download it to PDF. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.